Okay, to start this new application, we gonna need to go in here in configuration, copy this package name here, and download the Google service.json, so you can use here the authentication on the application. So let's download this thing here. I'm gonna go back here now in the application. I'm gonna grab the Firebase Authentication, and in assets we're gonna upload this file. It's necessary. Now what we're gonna need here is coming in is navigation, so it's the side menu layout. I'm gonna go on blocks, and we're gonna go to the block, where the screen is initialized. So it's just this one here, screen 1 initialize. Let's put a zone here. Okay, now here we're gonna go in side menu layout, add item. So the title is gonna be showing the side menu. So the first thing, I'm gonna call it sign up. The image here, I'm not gonna put any image, but you can upload the image, choose as a icon in the side of the title. So this one is gonna be empty. In logic, I'm gonna put true to enable and checked, and the group is a number, so I'm gonna put the number 1. So this one here is 1. Now I'm gonna need 2 more of this. Let's go up here. So the second one is sign in, and the last one is the logout button. So now side menu layout, one menu item click. I'm gonna have to make some verification here. So here I'm gonna use a logic blocks of equal. So title is equal to sign up. I'm gonna go in grab control and open another screen name, and the screen name is gonna be sign up. Gonna go in else if. Now else if here, we're gonna check if the title is equal to sign in. So remove this one, open another screen name, and the screen name is gonna be sign in, and the last one is the logout. So let's copy this thing here, so remove this thing here. We're gonna go and grab the Firebase Authentication logout, so in this block here. What you're gonna do now is create these screens. So the first one is sign up. I'm gonna go in and add the screen, sign up. So here I'm gonna go and grab 2 text box, a button, a notifier, and in Google the Firebase Authentication. Now in the sign up, I'm gonna align horizontal center, vertical center. I'm gonna use the background color as gray, and between this text box and the button, I'm gonna put 2 spaces. I'm gonna put as 45 the height. Okay, the first one is the email. Second one is the password. So the email, I'm gonna go and put the width as 250. The hint here is enter a valid email, and the background color is white. Now the password, background color is white, so with 250, and the hint here, password. Now back to email, the input here has to be the email, and the text box password input type is gonna be number 2, is the password. And this button here is to register account. So I'm gonna change this to register. And also gonna need a label here. This label is just a message. So in the beginning there's no text. I'm gonna put font size as 18, and here the register fill parent, font bold, font size 20, background black, and the text color white. Now we're gonna go to the blocks part. First thing is back pressed, second is the button register. So control here, close screen, and now in the button register, when it's clicked, we're gonna have a else if and a else. First thing we're gonna check here is if is the email and the text box password are empty. So we're gonna go on text, grab the is empty thing, and copy this thing, and is empty text box password. A notifier, I'm gonna grab the show alert to both of these blocks here. A text, so enter a valid email, and here enter a password. Okay, after that, checking this thing here, we're gonna go in Firebase Authentication, email and password sign up. So the email is this one here, and the text box password is this one here. I'm gonna grab an event here. It's gonna be the sign up fail and the sign up success. So here I'm gonna grab the label one message text. So if the email is already registered, if another person already used this email, I'm gonna go here and grab the message. Also I'm gonna put a notifier here with alert saying email already in use. And if the email is not used, we're gonna be showing this block, the event here. So copy the notifier. So account registered, and also grab the close screen block here, duplicate, so this part is the sign up. So let's go back to screen 1, blocks. What we're gonna need here is an event called is this one here, when another screen is closed. So let's go grab the control. I'm gonna copy this thing here. So if the other screen name was closed coming from the sign up, we also have else if the other screen name is the sign in. Coming back here in the design part, we're gonna have a label here, and this label is gonna be renamed as the user email. I'm gonna put the size as 18. So text is user is email. I'm gonna go back to the blocks part. So now when the sign up is closed, I'm gonna grab an if here. I'm gonna go in Firebase Authentication, is signed in. Also in the after we log in the sign in, we're gonna go and get current user in both of these one, and go here in the current user sussex. I'm gonna grab the user email text box, user email, this one here, and we're gonna change to the email. So grab the get name, also here in the logout you're gonna change the user email to empty text. So grab this thing here, it's gonna go to empty text. Also this thing here we're gonna copy, and when the screen is initialized, we're gonna go and check. So if the user is signed in, we're gonna use the get current user to get the email of the user that is logged in. If there is no person logged in the application, we're gonna go in notifier and show alert notice, and the notice is gonna be no user logged, no user logged in. So now we're gonna need to create the sign in screen. So let's go and grab this thing here, create another screen. Okay, now in the screen is the gonna have the same design. Two text box, the button, Google Firebase Authentication, also the notifier. So the first one is the email, the password, so here enter a valid email. So this one here is the number 4. $250. Background color white. Password background color white. Password here. So the input type is the number 2. The width is gonna be 250. So grab here in general 2 spaces, space here and here, put as 45. So sign in, or align horizontal center and the vertical center. Background color, gonna use the blue one. So this button here is button login. So text gonna be login font 20. Background color black. Text color white. So now going to the blocks part. Signing with back pressed. Gonna close the screen. Button login, click. Going check if the 2 text boxes are empty. So email text, pass text, going text, grab the is empty block. So grab the is empty, grab the notifier alert, and here is gonna be enter email. Enter a valid password. So after that, we're gonna go and email and password login. So login failed and login success. So here in login failed, I'm gonna send a message saying user and or password are incorrect. If the here I'm gonna go the email text, password text. If the login is successful, also show a alert here, and going grab the close screen. is login login successful. So now in the screen 1 we have the sign up, sign in and log out. I'm gonna export and try to test if the application is correct. So now I'm gonna install the application and test the application. So enter here. Now I'm gonna first go in sign up. So I'm gonna enter email. I'm gonna call it my email gmail.com and the password. Click in register. Account registered. So let's refresh here. Okay, so now my email is registered. I'm gonna go and sign up again and try to enter the same email, so gmail.com, any password, click on register. So let's put more than 6 characters, so and register. So the email address is already in use by another account, so you cannot register the same email. So log out, click now in sign in. Let's go in my email. So if I put a fake password, user and password are incorrect. If I enter the correct password, now it's logged in. So I put the incorrect here is actually the email in the Firebase Authentication current success. So here is the email. Let's change here. I'm gonna export again. So let's install the application again. So first thing I'm gonna do is the login. So sign in. My email at gmail.com. The correct password. So now it's showing here. So if I click here and now enter again, it's gonna show the email that's the sign in. But if I close the application and enter again, you have to log in again. So now I'm gonna just create a new email. So email registered. Also now you have the email here when after you sign up in the application. So log out here. It's gonna close it's not gonna be logged in, and you can close the application. So for this video is this. I hope you like it. You can give me a like, a comment, and see you in the next one.